Hello. Why is President Putin wanted by the International Criminal Court, and what is the significance of this? How have countries reacted to this news, and will President Putin actually go to jail? Could a nuclear war occur? Let's find out all of these answers in this video. It must be said that this recent event is extremely rare in world history. While many criminals have been wanted by the ICC, it is rare for a sitting head of state to be wanted. Putin is only the third person to be wanted by the ICC in the past 24 years. The first was the president of Serbia, while the second was the leader of Libya in 2001. First of all, let's find out what crime President Putin has committed and why he is being wanted. The United Nations Human Rights Committee has released a report accusing Russia of war crimes. According to the report, President Putin has forced thousands of Ukrainian children to go to Russia. The committee evaluates that this behavior not only harms the children who were brought to Russia and separated from their families, but also shows an effort to eliminate Ukraine's identity by turning these children into Russians. Based on the Rome Statute, Russia's actions are considered to be the illegal expulsion of civilians and the illegal transfer of people from an occupied territory. Although there is no exact number of how many Ukrainian children have been taken to Russia, according to the United Nations, both the Russian government and Putin himself have acknowledged that thousands of Ukrainian children have come to Russia. Russia has publicly admitted the existence of this child program, but they claim that these children came to Russia for protection. However, the United Nations rejected Russia's argument, stating that the relocation of civilians cannot be justified for safety or health reasons. The Russian government also did not try to contact the relatives of these children or the Ukrainian government. Therefore, it is still considered a criminal act and Putin is still wanted. However, many people believe that the warrant for President Putin is just a formality, as the ICC does not have police or military forces to enforce it. Even if they did, Russia would not be easy to arrest. So, is this true or not? Let's continue to see first. Everyone must understand that the ICC court operates under the Rome Statute. That means the countries that participate in this statute, the extradition process only has jurisdiction in those countries. Russia is a country that does not participate in the Rome Statute. China, and even the United States are also not participating in this statute, so ICC has no jurisdiction in China or the United States. Therefore, if Russia does not participate, ICC cannot arrest President Putin. The answer is also incorrect according to regulations. If Putin goes to a country that participates in the Rome Statute, this country will arrest him. Currently, 123 countries have joined the Rome Statute. For example, the leader of Germany declared that if Putin came to Germany, they would arrest him immediately. Although this is just a statement, it also makes the Russian people angry. Conversely, Hungary, although also participating in the Rome Statute, stated that they would not arrest him because the Rome Statute contradicts their constitution, which specifically states that the president has the right to immunity from any crime. South Africa also participated in the Rome Statute but did not make any clear statement. The country is very confused because they are both a BRICS member, and they are participating in a trade conference with Russia. But they also participate in the restrictions of the Rome Statute, so they do not know what to do with the ICC's arrest warrant, even though it is possible that President Putin will come to South Africa to attend the trade conference. Therefore, whether ICC arrests Putin or not depends on whether the member countries want to enforce it or not. Most opinions indicate that Putin will rarely leave his country and is unlikely to go to countries that participate in the Rome Statute. Therefore, the possibility of arresting Putin is almost impossible. In previous ICC cases involving state leaders, only the leader of Yugoslavia was arrested, due to the fact that the people of Yugoslavia captured him and brought him to the ICC. He later died in a UN prison. However, Russia will not arrest Putin even if they were to do so, as it is prohibited under Russian law to extradite their leaders to foreign countries. Therefore, it is almost certain that the arrest warrant will not affect Putin. Actually, the arrest warrant may not have much political impact, because since the ICC issued the warrant, regardless of whether they intend to or not, 123 countries that represent 2/3 of the world's population will list Putin as a wanted criminal. This means that from now on, the leader of Russia cannot ignore the jurisdiction of the ICC and will have to visit the 123 countries that recognize the ICC's authority. including key countries in Russia's expansion policy, such as Georgia or Serbia, Russia's only allies in Europe, or important emerging countries such as Brazil or South Africa. In addition, these 123 countries will find it difficult to do business with Russia, and it will be even more difficult for a head of state of any country to shake hands with Putin. Of course, if some countries do not comply with the warrant and cooperate with Russia, it remains to be seen what the ICC will do. The fact is that the ICC has no armed forces and no member state has ever disobeyed the ICC's order, because previously wanted individuals did not have much influence. However, if Putin were to be arrested for any reason, the Russians would certainly not remain silent. Their tactical nuclear missile system has already been sent to Belarus, which may be a subtle warning to other countries about nuclear war. Furthermore, Russia has launched an investigation and announced that they will punish the judges and leaders of the ICC for issuing the arrest warrant against Putin. In general, the arrest warrant only reduces Putin's credibility with countries participating in the Rome Statute, and the likelihood of Putin being arrested is almost non-existent. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.